Dr. Ravikumara KM, the state level Best Teacher Awardee, working as an assistant teacher teaching Kannada language as first language in Karnataka State Government Schools. He is working at Government High School S. Madapura, Kadur Taluku, Chikkamaluru District, Karnataka State. Under the objective criteria, number 1, publication, research papers or articles in international or national journals with ISSN, books with ISBN, etc. in the last 5 years. My publications by Dr. Ravikumara KM, the state level Best Teacher Awardee. Mr. Ravikumar has published many books at national as well as international level. The first book he has published is Kriya Samshodhane, Action Research. Matru Hridayi Margadarshi, a biography about Dr. Chandrakala Bidari. Kayaka Yogi, ವಚನ ಸಂಶೋಧನೆಯ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆಗಳು, which was published in Navanita state level publication. Dr. Ravikumar has completed his PhD. His thesis was related to Dr. Chandrasekhara Kambarara ಕಾದಂಬರಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ನೆಲೆಗಳು, ಯೋಗ ಅಂಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್. Holy Fest celebration. It was published in the magazine Sahitya Sinchana, bearing the ISSN number 24563617. One more of his articles was published in Conservation of Nature. The article Evolution of Novels. The article Conservation of Nature. ಸರ್ವಜ್ಞನ ವಚನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮೌಲ್ಯ. Morals in the Sarvajna's Vachanas. The article was published in Sahitya Sinchana. ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಆಚರಣೆಗಳು, ಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್. ದ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ವಾಸ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಷ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಸಿಂಚನ. ರಚನಾ 3. ದ ಬುಕ್ ವಾಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟಿವಿಸಮ್. ಶಾಲೆ ನಡೆದು ಬಂದ ದಾರಿ. ದ ಬಯೋಗ್ರಫಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ a government lower primary school in a remote village in the Malnad areas of Chikkamaluru district. Thank you for watching.